Hi guys, you're welcome to Genius Ideas. In this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how you can run vb.net code on your iOS device. As you can see, I'm on an iPhone. All you have to do is to go to your app store, then look for a particular app. The name of the app is VB Compiler. It should be vb.net. vb.net compiler. Search for it. Okay, this is the app over here. So all you have to do is just to download the app. So just click on the download icon. It will ask you for permissions to install the app. So you just select OK. You select install rather, then you just wait for it to install. Okay, now that the app is installed, just click open and it's going to open the application. You can see the sample source code over here. You can decide to allow or not allow, but I'll just allow for now. You can see the sample source code over here. This is the code. If you want to run this code, for example, click on this button at the top right of the screen. It will compile the code for you and it will display the results. Okay, so you can see the result. You can see the result over here. So if you want to go back to the source, you will see this source button at the bottom left corner. That is the source. You can see the output window. So I can just come here, add my code to it, say console dot write line no I am a boy, run the code. You can see hello world and I am a boy. So everything is working fine. Another thing you should know is that you can edit the settings of this particular mobile IDE. So if you look at the settings icon on the top right corner, so just click on it and you can see all the options that you have. You can change it to that theme. You can change the font size, whatever you want to do to customize the app to suit your taste. You can change the font size as well. So apart from that, if you come here and you see all these buttons, just above the keypad, you will see the tab button, the undo. You will see the direction up, to the right, to the bottom. You can see the open and close bracket. You can see the block bracket as well. So all these things are available to you. Lastly, you can, if you want to if you want to open a new file or open an existing file, you see this hello world.vb, the file name. Just click on it and it will give you some option. If you want to clear the existing file, the current file opened, if you click on clear, it will clear everything here. If you click yes, you can see it's just giving you room just for the main sub, so you can you can start the code afresh. So be sure you really want to clear this file before you choose that option. But to open an existing file or a new file, click on hello world. You can see open over here. Click on open. So you have the opportunity to create another folder. You see it's asking for the name of the folder or create another file. So you click on the option to create another file. You see the options at the top right. So it is giving me source.vb, but I can just say first.vb. If I click OK, it will open first.vb for me. So I can just come here and use the tab icon, then console dot write line. What am I writing to the console? I can just say hello from first file. Okay, file file. Okay, so run this code. You can see hello from first file. So you go back to the source and that is it basically. If you want to open an existing file, for example, the sample source file that we opened the other time, just click on the file name, open. It will give you your file manager. Just locate the file, go to hello world, and you can see the empty file that we have initially. That's it. Now, lastly, The compiling action is not happening on your phone. It is happening on the internet because VB compiler is very heavy. It will be too much for the phone. So this is running based on internet. Okay. If your internet is not available, then your code will not be able to run. Let me change this back to first. Console dot write. It should be write line. Let me just say 27. If I should run this, you see, it's not going to run. It's saying that the servers are temporarily down or whatsoever because the code is compiled online, not on your device. Like I said, all you have to do is just to make sure internet is available. So I just go back to bring my internet back. Then now that my internet is back, I can just simply run the code. It is going to be displaying some ad. Um, just cancel the ad, and you can see hello from first file. Now we have 27, so everything is just back. So basically that is how you can run Visual Basic or VB.NET code on your iOS device. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.